Go stick around. We got some basketball. We got one more box of basketball to break. We got this break, and then there's a triple box break number 3 up there for sale right now. We'll get it sold out and break it here tonight. But good to have you guys here. Thanks so much. UltimateBoxBreaks.com. We got the new Flawless for Friday going on sale tomorrow. Here we go. All right. I think we're due for something weird out of here, aren't we? Maybe? Maybe just a little bit. First card, Jordan Cameron, 32 out of 99. So going to those brownies. Tade, 27.69. There you go, buddy. 32 out of 99. Jordan Cameron. And then keep it all in Ohio. A.J. McCarron. Actually, a really nice patch in there of A.J. McCarron. Going to Cincy, so Seahawks, 12th man. Here you go, bub. And that is going to be a gold version. You can definitely tell when they put a patch in there, they really put a patch and then they make it short print. 58 out of 99. Nice. So a really nice patch in there going to Cincy. So Seahawks, 12th man. There you go, buddy. So I think last time I checked, it was just down to 9 spots left for the last triple football break. So if you guys want to grab a spot there. Next, it's Jeremy Hill, and that is another Cincinnati hit. It is autographed, and that is 1 out of 10. So very, very short print. Jeremy Hill auto, 1 out of 10. Back to Cincy. Seahawks, 12th man. Cincy getting all sorts of weird on us. Then you got Dree Archer, and that's going to Pittsburgh, so way down there. T-Bone, 978. Go and get it, player. It's a jumbo jockstrap. Just joking. It's not a jockstrap, man. Come on, man. 68 out of 199. Here you go, bub. And then last box in here. Like I said, just a couple spots left in that last football break for tonight. I still think there's a monster creeping around in Playbook. I'm just going to say it. Just going to say it. And it's not Mike Davis, but that is short print Mike Davis going to those Raiders. So Oaktown, MTL Hawk 33. 24 out of 25, Mikey Davis. It is autographed, little baby autograph. See that up there in the top? So Mike Davis. Got my face, Mike Davis. And then, my goodness. Back to back Dree Archers, but a nasty little patch in there. So that's exactly what can happen. T-Bone 978 doing all sorts of work there. Nice patch inside there, and that's 11 out of 99. So boy, there you go for Pittsburgh. Got yourself a steal there, player. 2 books. 1 box. I think you'd be safe to Google that. That'd be fine, right?